Hi, so welcome to the Violet STEAM Education tutorials. My name is Marissa, and in this video we're going to be learning a bit more on coding LEDs. So we're going to do this all from scratch just to sort of reinforce what we've learned so far. Now, in the last tutorial, we were able to turn on and off an LED, and two blocks that I kind of introduced you to were the forever block and the repeat block. In coding, this is just known as a forever loop, and this is known as a for loop. I guess for this video, what we might do to sort of sequence our LEDs is just maybe use the repeat block, since we used the other one in the last tutorial. So that's what we're going to use. Now, what I want to do in this program is basically turn on, so currently we have the code from the last tutorial on here. What I want to do is I want to turn on the red LED, followed by 1 second, and then turn on the green LED, followed by 1 second, and then turn on the blue LED, followed by 1 second, and then I want to turn off all 3 LEDs. So let's do that. So what you might remember is for any Arduino program, what we need to do is get out this block, plop that in, and then I'm going to drop the repeat block here. So everything that goes within here is going to repeat for 10 times. So we said that we wanted to turn on the red LED, and we know that that's at digital pin 13. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to change that to 13, and that's on high, so that means we're going to turn it on. I then said that I wanted to delay that instruction before it went on to the next one for 1 second. Actually, something I might do, I might just, so that you know that you can do this, so you don't just have to have whole numbers, you can have 0.5 seconds. I think for this what I might do is make it 1.5 seconds. And then after that I want to turn on the green LED, which is at digital pen 12. So I'll do that, and that's also turning that on. I then want to delay the next instruction before it turns on by 1.5 seconds, and then we want to turn on the blue LED, which is at digital pen 11. And again, that's also set for high, so we know that that's turning on. Now after this, what I wanted to do was turn off all 3 LEDs after a 1.5 second wait. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to put that 1.5 second delay in, and then I'm going to put in these instructions. So I'll get 3 of them out, and I wanted to turn off all of these. So I'm going to do that first. Off and off. And what I wanted to do was have it for the LEDs that I currently have over here. And they're set for digital pen 11, 12, and 13, so not 9. It doesn't matter which order you do this in, it should do it at the same time, so 12, I can make that 13, and I can make that 11. So let's take a look, and we'll upload this to the Arduino. So what we have here is the red LED, the green LED, and the blue LED turns on, and then, well, that's interesting. So it's turned on the red LED, it's turned on the green LED, it's turned on the blue LED, and then it hasn't turned off the LEDs, it's just left the red LED on. Now that is interesting. Now, this is something that I actually wanted to demonstrate. So I think I kind of hinted at this in the last tutorial, where I asked what happens if you get rid of the last wait block. So what happens is that everything's repeating 10 times. That's fine. It's turning on the LED at pin 13, waiting for 1.5 seconds, turning on the LED at pin 12, waiting for 1.5 seconds, turning on the LED at pin 11, waiting for 1.5 seconds, and the idea is that it would turn off all 3 LEDs. But the thing is, it's supposed to repeat this. There's nothing to delay this instruction. So while it should ideally go through this, it actually just goes straight back to here. Not giving you that time to turn off the red LED. So you'll notice that pin 12 and 11 will turn off, but there's not enough time for this to turn off and on because we haven't put in that delay. So if I put that delay in, and I make that say 1.5 seconds, that should then give you what you want, and we'll do that by uploading to the Arduino and we'll see what happens. So here we have it, turning on the red LED, turning on the green LED, turning on the blue LED, and then turning off all the LEDs, and then turning on the red LED, turning on the green LED, turning on the blue LED, and once again turning off. So that is a demonstration of the importance of, I guess, following through the instructions and ensuring that every block is there, in particular noticing the importance of having the weight blocks in the right places and having enough of them in the place that you need them to be. Another task that I would sort of recommend trying is we've tried turning on all the LEDs at different intervals. Something that I would recommend is, rather than turning off all of them at once, see what happens if you just turn on one LED, and then as you turn on the next LED, you turn off that previous LED, and then as you turn on the next LED, you turn off the LED before it, and just see how that works out, and then see how that, if that works for you. Something to sort of try out as an experiment. Hope you enjoy this tutorial. In the next video, we will be learning how to use the motors for Violet. Till then, thank you for watching.